you.
Give it a pin. Give me a signature.
Oh,
That is cool. Rika Springs, y'all.
Ziploc bag so they don't get tangled up in your hair.
thank you. You see the shirt?
That's cute.
$9.94. You're supposed to have the card door. She
Oh.
just passes it back. So anything you give to her, she'll give it back to you.
Oh.
She has a right to left system. Little vertical here. All right, ready? It's about to get started. Here we go. Pass it back.
Thank you.
Give it a pin. Give me a signature.
You're the gift.
Here comes your sales receipt
That's awesome.
and your receipt. One more.
Oh,
That is cool. Eureka Springs, y'all.
Little vertical here. All right, ready? It's about to get started. Here we go.
thank you.
Give it a pin. Give me a signature.
That's awesome.
And your receipt. One more.
Oh,
That is cool. Eureka Springs, y'all.